Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 21st, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, we're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-minis today, and what you're going to see is that they are trading lower by 7.25 points to 21.29 per contract. So all in all, futures are down ahead of the opening bell. Now, this is a Friday, and this is also options expiration. So first couple of hours could be pretty interesting. We could see some chopping around, and we do have earnings season really kicking into full gear now. So we got lots of earnings to go over here. Let's get started with the morning. Microsoft, the first big one to report earnings today, and what you're going to see is they came out with their results last night. Stock right now is flying high, trading at $70 and $60.74. This is close to a new all-time high, split adjusted, I believe. So nice pop for Microsoft. Again, there should be a fair amount of resistance in here. It's a little bit overbought, but the stock is up. No reason to fight it. We'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. Stay neutral on it at the moment. If you own it, I would trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I wouldn't do anything up here at these levels. But Microsoft will be on our radar today, especially if it gives us some patterns once the opening bell rings. All right, let's take a look at General Electric. GE is trading down a little bit. Stock closed at $29.07. I believe they reported earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at $28.75. It's just a little down tick. I think there's still a lot of support around $28.40, $28.25. I really don't see GE going much below there right now. So we'll see if that gets tagged, but we'll be looking at this one as well once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Reynolds American. RAI is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting a big pop today. Closed at $47.17. It's now trading at $56.93. This looks like BTI, which is British Tobacco, proposed a merger. So again, it looks like Reynolds is the beneficiary of that. Also keep on the radar today MO, which is Altria Group. And that is catching a big bid in sympathy, in my opinion. So, again, we'll see how that plays out. But if you own Reynolds, RAI, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's really nothing we could do up here at these levels. It's in the stratosphere. And, again, it's all on, merger talks. We've had a lot of rumors this week, tons of them. Each and every day we're getting 5-6 different rumors out here. I don't know if this one's true or not, but it looks like it has some legitimacy. So, again, nice little pop there. Let's take a look at Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and you're going to see that the stock right now is trading at $6.76. Yesterday had some wild action, trading above 7 briefly, came back in. Right now is $6.77. I wouldn't do anything with this one. There's really no play here at all. Let it settle in and we'll see where it goes, but there's really nothing to do at this point in time. Let's take a look at Skechers, SKX. And I do have a gap level for this one. This one is getting hammered today. Stock closed at $22.94. It is now trading at $19.40. So this is one that has had big moves in the past. Skechers really slipping here. This stock cannot get any traction to the upside. Again, I have lower levels ahead, and I will post them up in the intraday chat room at 9 a.m. Let's take a look at good old PayPal. PYPL is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $42, closed at $40.90. So this is definitely a good uptick and a strong move. So we want to respect PayPal. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you do not own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game, as it is getting a little bit overbought and extended. But I don't see a play on the short side just yet. Let's take a good look at Coach. Coach, I believe, had earnings as well. Stock is trading at $37.50, closed at $35.91, so you got a nice little pop there. No play on it yet, but I will give you a resistance level. My resistance level for Coach is going to be $38.38. So it gets to $38.40, $38.8, $38 in that area. That could be a potential pullback play for Coach. Either way, it is going to be resistance, so when you get there, if you own it, trail the stop loss. We'll look at that level as potential short trade. Let's take a look here at KLAC, which is KLA 10 Core. And what you're going to see here is that they reported earnings. Stock is trading at $74, closed at $71.99. So got a good little uptick. I'm not in love with this pattern. I think 74 and a quarter, 74.30. There's a ton of resistance. It's also coming into a lot of daily chart resistance. Take a look at this daily chart here. Look at that. Big resistance bar. I really don't like KLAC at these levels. Be a little bit careful here. and we'll see how it plays out. This will be on my radar today once the opening bell rings. And again, if you want to trade any of these equities alongside of us, we had another good trading day yesterday. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see what it's all about. Trade right alongside of us. It's an open format. Get to ask us questions throughout the day, and we walk you through everything that we're doing. All right, let's take a look at Schlumberger. Ticker symbol is SLB. They reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at 82.50, closed at 82.99. Not much to do here. I don't see really much upside in Schlumberger. As for downside levels, we really have to wait for the opening bell, but I'm thinking this one wants to get down to around 81, 81.10, somewhere around there. Let's take a look next up at McDonald's. McDonald's coming out with earnings this morning. Yesterday, the stock hit my max move support level at 110.50. Let's take a look at McDonald's this morning, and you'll see that stock is trading at 114.40. So good little pop there, good little bounce. Hit a big level yesterday on the sell-off, and you can see McDonald's now trading right back up to 114.50, just like that, pretty quickly. Upside for McDonald's today, if it got there, it would be 116.60. That would be a pretty good wall of resistance, at least intraday. So, again, keep that on the radar. I'm not sure we're going to see it get there, but if it does, that should be a very good resistance level. Let's take a look at TWLO, TWLO. This is on a 7 million, back of a 7 million share offering. Looks like a follow-on stock offering. So you got stockholders selling shares, and 7 million of them. And it looks like stock right now is trading at 41. I don't think Twilio has a lot of downside here, but you know, you got to let it shake out a day or so maybe when you get kind of an offering, a sale offering like this, follow on, and again, should be pretty good support down here around these levels. But we'll see how it plays out, and we'll see where it goes. Let's go over to the gold market today. Gold is trading down a point, 1266.5 per ounce. And then we have gold is trading down a point to 1266.5. Then we have crude oil trading down 16 cents to $50.48 a barrel. So there we are. Not going to do too much either way with either one of them. We'll sit tight. U.S. dollar is stronger this morning, and that's certainly one of the catalysts for the weakness in the market. Dollar really soaring and roaring, now sitting at 98.71. All right, with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session. If you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've been having a sensational month. We're going to look to keep that going all the way into the end of it. And again, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. Have a great trading day, everyone. We'll see you on the charts.